Pero, unsa ka?
Para sa Mandy. You sure it's be okay?
Yep.
Wow! So cool. Press over. Press over. Everything. Every pet. Press the road. Press over to praise to the fire. Praise the Lord. Praise the strong. Praise the Lord. Praise the Lord. Praise the moon. Praise the sea.
It's fine. Yes, tama yan.
Kasi ko sa babae.
Pwede. May white ka? Wala.
Naa.
Brown or
Naku
yellow.
white. Color lang siya white. What the paper?
Sige lang.
Naku. Pwede the yellow. Where's yellow? Naku yung photo.
Grabe na put ka small. Ano yung mga...
Yan.
Meron put ka small, ay.
Yan wala na ka. Sharpen sa ako mami. Sharpen.
Sabi mo, hi guys.
Di man chan-chani.
Ano eh. Pa-small na sa mga ano eh, color pen. You want new one?
What?
Itapon na lang natin ang mga color pen kasi small na.
No, what is happening? This is not your pencil.
Small naman.
But that's okay because teachers want to gamit many what colors. Sharps. Ouch!
Keeper man ka eh.
Ow! Yellow over here. Nice yellow. This is a nice yellow.
Another yellow.
So tiny.
So small na. Tapon na na yun.
No, this one.
Hindi ligyan niya ipalabay. Bisa pa ang sa kagamay. Nene!
Ano ba? Again, sharpen. Pagkamay na po.
Saan yung uban? Paggamit ng po at opo. Matulungin. It's very good. Good job, Abby.
Mommy, can you sharpen it, please? Oh, the funny put it back there. I want to sharpen it.